My dearest listeners who are very eager to know English and what is the actually error in English. Actually, you are very interested in weeding out the incorrection in English structure. So actually, I would shift my focus on common errors in English because students do not common errors they do not pay attention to common errors, and that makes their English actually that becomes a flaw in English translation, English correction. So actually that is a flaw in a speech of English. I am here that I have a book on common errors, and this is published from New Delhi. It's known as General English for Competition. I have I have written this book for students who are weak in English, and I am trying to make them good to speak English flawlessly, not faulty. Actually, this is my, I am very much obliged to Father Kamil Bulke. And Father Kamil Bulke, he does not know Hindi. Actually, he was a foreigner and he was principal in Brachi, St. Xavier's में. So actually, he came to India to learn Hindi because he was not known to Hindi. He was a foreigner. Actually, he learnt Hindi in Varanasi and Allahabad. I once met him and he was embraced me that my friend, you are very eager to know me what is my landing in Patna or this Allahabad to learn Hindi. Hindi. He was not known to Hindi. And he has written a book in dictionary in Hindi, and this is known as Angrezi Hindi Kosh. Hindi Kosh. And this course, this Father Kamil Bulke, I am very attentive to this book. Now, each word in Hindi is that fantastic. Actually, the English word and the English word is translated into flawless Hindi. Now, I am very actually very, there is a word made, actually there is a word, there is very important word in his dictionary. I am very uh, the word is wire. Wire is English word. Wire. So actually, I generally mention this particular word wire, and this is very important word in India. Actually, now I am mention this word. What does it mean? And you will be also surprised that this man, this Kamil Bulke, was very expert, and he was expert in Hindi and English. Now there is one word in dictionary, wire, Voyer. Now he has mentioned in his dictionary. Now this is very fantastic for every reader of dictionary of Kamil Bulke. Now this word Voyer, Voyeur, actually this word is very fantastic for everyone, students, and I am fond of this word. So actually, this is a sexual word for everyone. Voyeur. So actually, I have visited Hindi film, and that voyeurism is there, nature of that movie. So actually, I learned this word. What is the meaning in the dictionary of Kamil Bulke? So actually, this person has made actually Hindi English. He translated this English into English, and that English is fascinating for every readers in dictionary or in a spoken English. So actually, voyeur is the very important word. Now this word he has mentioned, this voyeur, voyeur, and he has made it Hindi दृश्यरतिक. दृश्यरतिक, दृश्य को देख, सीन को देखकर उसको सेक्स का जग जाया जाता है. It excites, incites sex. Well, when he sees a lady, beautiful, glamorous lady, so actually she ignites that is drishya, that actually drishyaratik. When she see a girl, the sex aroused in his mind, so actually that is known as voyeur, and in Hindi is made by Kamil Bulke, voyeur. दृश्यरतिक, दृश्य को देखते ही उनका सेक्स जो है that is kindled. So actually this is fantastic meaning of voyeur in Hindi, drishyaratik. This is the charisma on the part of Kamil Bulke. Therefore, I am votary of this man who has written this Father Kamil Bulke. And this dictionary from English into Hindi is flawless, and it is wonderful for everyone to know English and both Hindi. Hindi, yours is impeccable Hindi, and English also there were. So actually, I am very fond of Father Kamil Bulke, and I also suggest students, teachers to know or to buy Father Kamil Bulke. This is very important for Indians to know exact Hindi that is fantastic and intrinsically to read or know or speak. So that will make your Hindi first one, A1. So actually, now I am unfold. Actually, Indians, they commit errors. Here, a speech in English is filled with or full of common errors. They do not mind. Now, I mention I have bought new furnitures. They speak, I have bought new furnitures. Actually, this correct is I have bought new furniture, not furnitures. I have bought new furniture, not furnitures. It will not be singular, plural. Actually, it will go on this furniture, not furnitures. So correct Bihari students or Indian students, I have bought new furnitures in my room. Now correct is I have bought new furniture, not furnitures. This is correct. Now next sentence says, the wages of sin are death. The wages of sin are death. Right? So actually wages means mazduri. Wages means mazduri. Right? So the word is the wages of sin are death. Since it is plural, so therefore it is are, not is. So actually it is not correct here in this context sentence. Now it's correct is the wages of sin is death. Wages माने reward, मजदूरी नहीं, it is reward. The wages of sin is death. आप पाप कीजिएगा तो आपका कौन मिलेगा? डेथ मिले, भगवान देगा. आप गलती करते हैं और वो जो पाप करते हैं तो उसका रिजल्ट क्या है? डेथ, राइट? तो एक्चुअली फर्स्ट इज इन कॉमन एरर, द वेजेस ऑफ सिन आर डेथ. दैट इज नॉट द लेबर कास्ट, लेबर वर्कर्स, it is mean. But here in this context, the wages of sin is death. This is correct and it is flawless. But here in context, the wages of sin are death. मजदूरी का पैसा पैसा पैसा. But here it means result और the wages of sin is death. जो आप पाप करोगे वो that will result in death, and the wages of sin are death is not correct. It is incorrect, and the correct one is the wages of sin is death. It's an important, memorable is this construction in literature. Now second is she told these news her mother. She told these news her mother, right? So this is common error. She told these news her mother. Now the correct is she told her mother this news. This one is correct, not, and this told these news. No, so actually this correct is she told her mother, अपनी माँ से पूछा this news. Clear? Now next sentence is in common error. He showered many abuses on me. He showered, बरसाना, rained, पानी दिया गया. He showered many abuses on me. This is common error. Actually the correction is he showered much abuse on me. मुझको हमको बहुत गाली दिया, तेरी माँ की, तेरी बहन की. तो एक्चुअली ही showered बरसाना, रेंड किया, मच एब्यूज ऑन मी, हम पर गाली का बौछार कर दिया. बट हियर ही showered many abuses. It will not be correct abuses, abuse on me. Abuses not. It will be correct he showered much abuse on me. उसने मुझ पर गाली का छर्रा किया, माने बरसा दिया. This one is correct. This one is correct. Next one is there is no place in this compartment. You intend to go to Bombay, right? Now, so there is no place in this compartment. अरे बम्बई की चेटी भरा हुआ टसा पूरा भरा हुआ है, कोई जगह नहीं है. तो देयर इज नो प्लेस, प्लेस माने जगह है, यहाँ कहता देयर इज नो प्लेस इन दिस कंपार्टमेंट. तो एक्चुअली क्राउडेड इज देयर इन दिस कंपार्टमेंट. दिस इज इनकरेक्ट. नाउ द करेक्ट वन इज देयर इज नो रूम, नो प्लेस, there is no room in this compartment. This one is fine one, A1 expression, not place. Here is no place, here is no room to sit, right, and to sleep. Now so I advise the students, my teachers, that there is no place in this compartment, Bombay. So actually the correct one is not a place, room. There is no room to sit. If you enter the compartment, you cannot say that there is no place, it is crowded, sir. No, so there is no room in this compartment. This one is correct, 100% correct. But that is 100% wrong. So next one is I spent the summer holidays. I spent the summer holidays with family members. I spoke to someone, parents. I spent the summer holidays. गर्मी की छुट्टी में जा रहा हूँ अपने परिवार के साथ. आई स्पेंट द समर हॉलीडेज. छुट्टी होता है, जाओ भैया शिल्ली जाओ, कश्मीर जाओ, तो गोवा जाओ. आई स्पेंट द समर हॉलीडेज with family members. So actually this is not correct. So there is no. So now this one, write this new poetry in your copy. Write this new poetry in your copy. Copy. You call it copy. This is my copy. राइट दिस न्यू पोएट्री. अपनी नई कविता को लिखते हो कॉपी में, तो कॉपी में नहीं होता है. राइट दिस न्यू पोएट्री इन योर नोटबुक. नोटबुक, इट इज नॉट कॉपी, नोटबुक, बट वी प्रोनाउंस इट कॉपी है, कॉपी हैज. इट इज नॉट कॉपी, इट इज नोटबुक, वेयर यू नोट ऑन दैट पेपर, राइट. तो करेक्ट इज कॉल्ड न्यू पोएट्री. Now your copy name, notebook. Copy is not correct. It is mentioned notebook. Write the new poetry in your notebook, not in your copy. Copy means नकल करना. And notebook माने copy लिखने में, right? So this one is correct. Write this new poetry in your copy नहीं. Copy means नकल, ape. And you write the correct expression, write this new poetry in your notebook. Notebook, not copy. Copy. This now next sentence that is very important. Put your sign here. नहीं, यहाँ पर अपना सीन लिख दीजिए. Put your scene here. Scene माने यहाँ पर कंसिडर कर लिए. तो actually scene is not correct. It is a flawed है. Put your scene here is a colossal incorrect. Actually the correct is, that is very fantastic, is put your signature. It is not sign. It is not a sign. Put your signature here, sir. अपना सब्सट्रक्चर दिए. राधा मोहन सिंह, सीता सिंह, समझे ना. तो ना नोन हुआ, सिग्नेचर हुआ. Put your signature here. But don't say put your sign here. Sign not here. It is signature, not sign. It will be replacing signature. Sign is replaced by signature here. Next is, now next sentence. I lost a 10 rupees note. This is one colossal error. I lost a 10 rupees note. 10 rupees note. It is incorrect. It is under error. Now it is correct is I lost a 10 rupee note. I lost a 10 rupee note. Not I lost a 10 rupees note. Not plural. I lost a 10 rupees note. Now this is error, galti, incorrect. The correct one, I lost a 10 rupee note. That's right. So this is a correction I am mentioned from this my book. So because this I'm getting late, but on account of Modi ji, I delayed to write this speech by. So tomorrow it will correct common errors, and we will focus on common errors to know for everybody. Thank you, my friends, my dearest listeners and listeners to me. All the best, and I welcome every person that they appreciate the correction English not in correction. Thanks.